Nobody could have taken care of Asmita better than I could have taken care of in that show. Not one of the boys either. I was with a woman who I cared so deeply and affectionately about, but she was busy trying to form connections with everyone else in the villa apart from me. Okay? She was the first person who would get angry at me if I didn't perform well. अगर मैं एक भी चीज़ हार गया उसका मुंह जो उतरता था ना उसके बाद, and that was it. Her whole mood would go for a toss if I even messed up little bit. But then at the same time you call me a flirt because I went and spoke nice things to Akansha. तब तक हार रहा था हर चैलेंज. स्विच हुआ, नई लड़की आई, नई लड़की इतनी कंफर्टिंग. फॉर अस्मिता इट वाज लाइक हर गाय हैज टू बी बिलो हर नो मैटर व्हाट, एंड देयर इज नो स्कोप और पॉइंट वेयर द गाय कैन आउटशाइन और आउट परफॉर्म. फिनाले शूट हुआ. फिनाले शूट होने के बाद नो, आई डिड नॉट ट्राई टू बी जसवंत ऑन द शो बिकॉज आई कुडंट बी जसवंत ऑन द शो.
Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Hello, hi, namaste. This is Aishwarya and I am from India Forums, and today joining me in a conversation is Ron, जो फिलहाल बहुत चर्चे में है. Ron, welcome to India Forums. Tell
Thank you
me,
so much.
how are you?
I'm doing amazing. How are you doing?
I am good and I'm excited. As I told you off camera कि South Indian वाली vibes, you know, match
थोड़ा सा
होती है.
मैच हो रहा है ना.
But you know, I know it was a roller coaster ride, बहुत up and down हुए. But I still want to know कि how was your journey in Splitsvilla 60?
लाइफ चेंजिंग, दैट्स द बेस्ट वे टू पुट इट. बिकॉज
Yeah.
एक तो चीज़ वही है कि शो करने के बाद बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला अपने बारे में, मोर देन एनीथिंग एल्स. की सोसाइटी में तुम्हारा स्टैंड पॉइंट कितना होता है, एंड व्हाट यू गुड एट एंड व्हाट यू बैड एट. ऐसे तुम्हारी जो कमजोरियाँ होती है एंड व्हाट यू बेनिफिट्स. अभी मेरे को समझ में आ गया कि शो से बाहर निकलने के बाद मैं बात कर सकता हूँ. दीज आर थिंग्स दैट आई हैव गॉटन टू नो बिकॉज ऑफ माई ऑडियंस, यू नो. सो इन दैट एस्पेक्ट द शो वाज वेरी लाइफ चेंजिंग. इट हेल्प मी रियलाइज व्हाट काइंड ऑफ पर्सन आई एम, कहाँ से मेरे से गलतियाँ भी हुई है, कहाँ से मैंने शाइन भी किया है, एंड कॉन्स्टेंट नाउ यू जस्ट कीप वर्किंग ऑन दीज थिंग्स.
Yeah, but you know, as far as I remember, जो initial episodes थे, crazy response था, green flag, you know, जशवंत वाला भी अच्छा वाला way में था. Tell me, at that time लगा था कि did you ever feel कि after the swap episode इतना drastic change आएगा?
ड्यूरिंग व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग द शो तब तो कुछ नहीं लगा था पापा. आई टेल यू द फर्स्ट एपिसोड जहाँ पर हमारी वो पूरा ये चीज़ फटा था ना, ऐसे कि मैंने एक डायलॉग वो सब बोला था.
हाँ.
उस टाइम पे भी व्हेन आई सेड द डायलॉग आई डिडंट नो दैट इट वाज गोइंग टू गो वायरल. ऐसे थोड़ी ना होता है. वी वर सब इंटेंस सिचुएशन में रहते हैं तो अपने हिसाब से बात करते हैं, अपने पर्सपेक्टिव और नज़रिया के हिसाब से उनको जो सही लगता है वो बोल देते हैं. तो आई ऑल्सो सेड द सेम थिंग. आई गॉट ग्रेटफुल दैट इट वर्कड आउट इन माई फेवर. लेकिन विला स्वैप के बाद भी चीज़ें ठीक ही हो गई. इट वॉज नॉट लाइक एनीथिंग. विला स्वैप के बाद थोड़ा सा इधर उधर हो गया था बिकॉज ऑफ लाइक मी ऑल्सो रियलाइजिंग व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. एंड like how I said ना, we come on this show to learn and to grow and to experience different
Yeah.
things. तो different perspectives मिल जाता है कि अभी तुम्हें एक सिचुएशन में डाल दिया, अभी ये सिचुएशन से निकाल के एक और सिचुएशन में डालेंगे तो यहाँ पे कैसे सर्वाइव करोगे. सो you know, it was quite nice to learn that. It was quite interesting to have that understanding about myself, but otherwise it was also quite stressful.
Yeah, shooting days.
Shooting is very stressful, Baba. We shot through a cyclone. We don't have a fixed working schedule because it's a crew of 300 people, okay?
Yeah.
And they have to finish this shoot in 40 days. That's the basic agenda. Now how the schedule goes by, every day they decide. Every single day is decide कि okay, आज ये करना है, आज वो करना है, and they'll have a plan in advance. They don't tell the contestants either, right? So we don't know when what is happening. तो हमें ये भी पता नहीं कि शायद आज एक चैलेंज हो सकता है, या शायद आज एक डोम सेशन हो सकता है, या शायद आज कुछ नहीं करेंगे और बस प्रमोशनल वीडियोस होगी या रील्स होगी या ये होगी. So that whole 40 days we were there, it was mostly just calm. सुबह से रात तक बस काम करते रहो.
But you enjoyed it, right?
Of course, this is what we like.
Yeah.
हमें कैमरा के सामने ही होना है ना. That's the thing. The whole reason I came into the industry was to be in front of the camera.
Yeah.
So I enjoyed it completely. But there were times जहाँ पर ऐसा लगता. We shot through a cyclone by the way.
Yeah, I know.
तो
चेन्नई था.
हाँ, चेन्नई था. तो 3-4 दिन का साइक्लोन चल रहा था और उसके वजह से ना इतना ज़्यादा हम वो रेन जैकेट्स पहनते थे. 5 मिनट जाके शूट कर लिया, सडनली कैमरास फॉग हो रहा है क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश हो रही है, तो वापस जाओ टेंट्स में, थोड़ा सा ड्राई अप हो जाओ, वापस बारिश में जाके फिर से शूट करो. सो इट वाज अ वेरी माइंड ब्लोइंग एक्सपीरियंस जहाँ पर इट विल टेस्ट यू ना. इट्स लाइक हाउ मच डू यू लाइक दिस, हाउ मच डू यू लव बीइंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कैमरा, हाउ मच डू यू लाइक बीइंग इन दिस पोजीशन. It makes you question it. क्या ये सच में तुम्हारे लिए है कि नहीं है? I've come back in December, and since December to now I can't stop thinking about it, believe it or not. ये real life में you cannot simulate what happens on a reality show. So you know that experience will always be very special to me.
बट टेल मी रॉन, जब इतना सारा प्यार मिल रहा था, लोग आपको ग्रीन फ्लैग कह रहे थे, ग्रीन फॉरेस्ट कह रहे थे, एट दैट टाइम क्या फीलिंग्स थी? क्योंकि आई एम श्योर डीएम्स पे भी वो प्यार मिल रहा था आपको, रील्स एडिट्स कट रहे थे. टेल मी अबाउट दैट.
So I started with 2,000 followers or something before I went to Splitsvilla. Instagram game, content बना. I tried. I used to make vlogs and all that stuff, but it was all mostly personal चीज़ें मैं बनाता था. ऐसे शो के जो shoots हो जाते थे, या ऐसे pictures, videos, ऐसे memories के लिए. लेकिन actively मैंने कभी content बनाने की कोशिश नहीं की. तो followers था 2,300 or something like that. The first 2 episodes come in and I have already hit 100K, just like that. Boom.
Oh, wow.
Boom. In the next couple 4-5 days मैं आँखें खोल के ऐसे बंद कर रहा हूँ, हर दिन their followers are increasing. First, very, it was very overwhelming. I'm like, यार इतने सारे लोग मेरे बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, you know. So it took me a while to wrap my head around the fact that कि people have opinions about me.
Yeah.
फिर ये भी हुआ, ये रिक्वेस्ट पे जाके देखो कि क्या बोल रहे हैं लोग. There are some people who like you, there will be some people who don't like you. Initially तो बहुत अच्छा response था. First episodes, first 3 episodes or something, people really liked me, and I think it's because the previous season winner was also from the same place. Yeah, Jashwant was from the same place. Now, so I feel like there was mostly comparison, and that's why it just popped up as soon as possible. ये कूर्ग से वही एक और लड़का है कर्ली हेयर के साथ, ये भी फाड़ेगा, ये करेगा, वो करेगा. So there was that expectation from the crowd. Very beautiful, very beautiful, but at the same time very scary also.
Yeah, जब भी इतना प्यार मिलता है तो
अभी ज़्यादा वही है ना. Now the stakes are higher now. Before it used to be like मैं Instagram पे कुछ भी डाल सकता था, 2,000 people will watch me. Today I put the same thing on Instagram, I have 160,000 people.
You have to think about it.
Think twice because there are people with their own opinions now. अगर मैंने कुछ भी बोल दिया, there will be 5 or 6 people will reply back immediately saying तुमने ऐसे क्यों बोला? Even the BYOG episode that I put out on my story, I got a lot of hate for it. Gotten a lot. Now it went from lot of love to then in between during the Villa switch time it was a lot of hate, and then slowly it went back to now is a space where it's a little bit of love and a little bit of hate, a little bit of love from my side, like people who genuinely care enough for me, and then from Asmita's side, whoever is coming in, they have their own set of opinions कि तूने ये क्यों किया, वो क्यों किया, and reasonable, understandable. अभी क्या ही कर सकते हैं?
Does that affect you?
No, not anymore. I mean, it actually never did affect me. I used to see these message requests as just a source of love. Apart from that, if you say anything to me, it's never affected me. I grew up in a very sorted household that way, and I started modeling in college itself. So, you know, you get accustomed to this idea कि ठीक है तुम इतने लंबे हो लेकिन तुम्हारा body ऐसे होना चाहिए या तुम्हारा चेहरा ऐसा होना चाहिए. You should do this, you should do that. So you get this constructive criticism on a regular basis. अभी कोई तुम्हारे Instagram पे आके बोल रहा है कि तू इसके साथ दोस्त क्यों है, वो अच्छी बंदी नहीं है. That's not your business. It's my business. ना मैं किसके साथ दोस्त बनूंगा, मैं किसके साथ, that's my thing. So it never really affected me that way. But हाँ, स्टार्टिंग में थोड़ा सा ऐसे बहुत लगता था कि यार ऐसे भी नहीं बोलना चाहिए. You know, I try not to read too much into it. Like I'll read it in the request itself, मेरे को पता चल जाएगा कि is this a hate or a love comment. And if it's a hate one, I genuinely don't try to open it. Like मेरे को सुनना भी नहीं है. Because I know none of them are offering like constructive criticism. They are very personal and very fixed with the show. उनको बस show से मर्जी है. So I respect it. I love it. Please continue to give me as much as love and all of this possible hate.
You're making him stronger.
Yeah, you're making me stronger regardless. But at the same time, I don't take it too much to my head. मेरे को नहीं लेना है वो. There's a lot of stress and pressure now.
बट यू नो आपको रेड फ्लैग भी कहा जा रहा है, जशवंत को कॉपी कर रहे हैं, जशवंत बनने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, ये जो बोलते हैं वो वैसे दिखाते नहीं है, एंड देन मेरा कि यू नो वर्ड्स का बहुत प्ले है, ही नोज हाउ इट वर्क्स. ये सब पर आपका क्या रिएक्शन है, क्योंकि यू नो बहुत अचानक से ये सब आ रहा है फिलहाल.
तो फर्स्ट तो जशवंत के साथ कंपैरिजन तो होना ही था, एक्सपेक्टेशन तो था ये चीज़. One more thing, when they found out that I was friends with Jashwant, so it was even more of a comparison. But then again, it's the same scenario, right? He's a different person, I am a different person. We might have the same mannerisms, we might have the same way of treating other people, but Otherwise, if you put us side by side, we are very, very different people. He's an excited little kid who wants to do this and that and this and that. I've been friends with him long enough to know what the differences are between the two of us. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? But at the same time, no, I did not try to be Jashwant on the show because I couldn't be Jashwant on the show. Provided that this was my first reality show, right? So you're comparing me with someone who's already done a lot of reality shows before. I don't know anything about this, and I don't come under the category of people who even watch reality shows. So for me, everything is a new experience. So as I was going through the days, हर दिन मैं figure out करता था कि ठीक है अभी alliance का एक चीज़ ऐसे हो गया है, वोट बैंक क्या होता है बाद में figure out हो रहा है मेरे को. फिर मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि ओके ठीक है अभी अलायंस हो गया, ये लोग वोट बैंक हो गया, अभी आज डोम सेशन में ये लोग निकलेंगे तो इनका काउंट करना है, वो करना है, वो सब आगे आगे सीखते गया मैं. लेकिन उसकी वजह से दिक्कत भी वही हुई थी ना, व्हेन यू लर्न एंड व्हेन यू टेक योर ओन स्वीट टाइम टू डू इट, यू लैग बिहाइंड इन द गेम. सो ऑफ कोर्स दैट्स व्हाट हैपेंड. अदरवाइज इन परफॉर्मेंस एस्पेक्ट आल्सो आई कुडंट डू दैट बिकॉज अगेन फ्रॉम अ साउथ इंडियन बैकग्राउंड आई एम नॉट ग्रोन अप इन अ हाउस होल्ड वेयर दे हैव पुश्ड मी टू डू मोर ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स एंड को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज. मेरे लिए पढ़ाई, उसके बाद इंजीनियरिंग, उसके बाद काम, उसके बाद वेरी वेरी टिपिकल हाउस होल्ड, वेरी टिपिकल लाइफ स्टाइल. दैट इज़ व्हाट आई हैव बीन ब्रॉट अप विद. तो कंसिडरिंग ऑल दीज फैक्टर्स आई हैड अ फीलिंग कि थोड़ा बहुत तो होने वाला है ऐसे लाइक फिजिकल टास्क एंड चैलेंजेस में. एक और चीज़ है कि आई ऑल्सो हैव अ इंजर्ड लोअर बैक. दिस आई हैड व्हेन
I've heard about
आई वाज 18 years old. I had this 2 L4 and L5 2 discs slipped up. It was a sciatica issue I had, and it took me a whole year to recover, and I've not got surgery or anything done for it. But as a tall guy, when you're 18 years old and when this such a like a major mishap happens, no, you try not to mess up the back anymore. So even when it came to working out or taking care of myself, I would less intensity, more about building a body for the sake of work.
Yeah.
Because I got into this industry, I need to still look good at the end of the day. So my workout also used to be scheduled in such a way where I look aesthetically pleasing, and it was more of that and less of की strength बढ़ाना है, ये करना है. We don't need it in real life.
Yeah.
How often on a daily basis do you go lift a car? You don't, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, but only on a reality show will you find a place where you have to lift a car. वहाँ पर जो लोग छा जाएंगे वो छाएंगे. There's no option. But there are people who are not up for it and there are people who are not up for it. So I was one of those where I wanted to, and I feel like, to be honest, even today if I say this, the amount of effort I put in for the tasks are immense. Like you will see any of those tasks, I'm giving it my 100%. बट शायद थोड़ा बहुत कमियाँ हो जाएगी. मे बी मेरे को थोड़ा बहुत चीज़ें से समझ में नहीं आया होगा, ऐसे फॉर एग्जांपल स्ट्रैटेजाइजिंग करना, या सिंपल सी बात है अगर एक इंटेंस सिचुएशन में तुम एक टास्क कर रहे हो और उसके बाद पीछे से कोई टीममेट तुझे कुछ भी बोलेगा, वो सुनने की भी ना एक टैलेंट होना चाहिए. बट आई एम नॉट इन दैट स्पेस. इट्स अ वेरी न्यू थिंग फॉर मी. आई एम इन द टास्क, आई एम इन्वॉल्वड, आई कांट हियर व्हाट पीपल आर सेइंग. So because of all of these things, these are not excuses by the way, but
Yeah.
it's just I'm saying the lack of preparation is what did not allow me to perform that well in the task. But otherwise, I'm quite happy with how I played. It was a great experience.
Yeah.
बहुत अच्छा experience था. When I came out of it, before I went into it, only all my friends, all of them, Shubhi, Samyukta, or even Jashwant, all of them said the same thing. They said, good or bad, it's going to be a life-changing experience. So go do it. Do it once.
Yeah.
चुल है ना, जाके देख लो एक बार क्या हो जाता है. So I went, I did it, I tried, and I came back out and I told them it is a life-changing experience because the moment I stepped back out in Bombay, it felt like I had already lived like 6-7 years of my life, you know, because there's so much happening on a daily basis. हमारे वो विला के अंदर इतने सारी चीज़ें होती थी. It used to feel like 1 week of stuff that has happened is basically the drama pushed over 6 months. तो 6 महीने का ड्रामा सोचो 1 हफ्ते में हो रहा है और ये हर दिन रिपीट पे चल रहा है. तो यू नो फन, बट एट द सेम टाइम देयर आर मोमेंट्स where you feel like you just want to take a nap and just relax.
Yeah, I was coming to that only. You faced a lot of things in the show. You know, contestants ने भी बहुत कुछ कहा. You've been called out for your performance, bad performance, या फिर आप परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाते थे. ये चीज़ आपने कैसे हैंडल किया? Did you know वो अफेक्ट करता था क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं वो परफॉर्मेंस प्रेशर बहुत होता था.
Horribly handled it. I'll tell you the same thing. पहले तो विला के अंदर एंट्री होते ही मेरे को लगा कि ओके आई एम बेटर देन एवरीवन. That's the general idea you go with. ना you have that ego and self confidence कि मैं खुद संभाल सकता हूँ हर चीज़ें. फिर टास्क होने लगी और टास्क होते होते मुझे समझ में आ गया कि कहाँ से मेरा वीकनेस हो रहा है. वो सब चीज़ इफेक्ट होने लगा. देयर वाज अ टाइम जहाँ पर मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि सुबह हमें एक नोटिफिकेशन मिलता है कि शाम को एक टास्क है, शूट करना है. तब से मेरा दिमाग ऐसे ही चलता था कि वैसे भी हारने वाला है, अभी क्या कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज मोरल इज डाउन, यू आर नॉट डूइंग सो वेल, यू वांट टू पिक योर सेल्फ बैक अप अगेन. दिक्कत होती थी वहाँ पर जहाँ पर वेल आई फेल्ट लाइक आई नीड अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ लाइक यू नो support and consideration, and it's not even like support and consideration as a partner. I wanted a support and consideration as a friend also would have been fine. कि ठीक है बाबा आज हो गया, कल से figure out कर लिए. Unfortunately, that one thing was lacking in a connection that I had on the show. Like it was mostly, it started off as me pursuing it, but then later on it became me handling the whole thing as well. You know, it was more of ki she is very open and upfront about whatever she wants to do, but she doesn't care about how it affects people. तो वो अपनी चीज़ें करती जाएगी, पीछे से बाकी सब चीज़ों को संभालते संभालते मैं आ रहा था. You know, that's how it had become.
Yeah.
And in a space where one, you're not performing that great, task में अच्छे नहीं कर रहे हो. Second, now you're trying to clean up after everything that's happening, and you have someone who will call your connection, but she's very rampant about a lot of things. कि गुस्सा आ गया तो गुस्सा आ गया, चिल्लाना है तो चिल्ला ले, बात करना तो कर लिया. देर इज़ नो प्रायर डिस्कशन कि ये होगा वो होगा, कुछ नहीं. फटूंगी तो फटूंगी बस. आई डोंट केयर अबाउट हु इज़ अराउंड मी, वॉट इज़ अराउंड मी, हु गेट्स हर्ट, वॉट नथिंग. आई विल ब्लास्ट मीन्स आई विल ब्लास्ट. नाउ द रेस्ट ऑफ द क्लियरिंग आउट एंड टेकिंग केयर ऑफ दिस, बिकॉज यू कैन ब्लास्ट टुडे इन अ डोम सेशन, टुमारो एवरीवनस गोना बी अगेंस्ट यू, देन व्हाट. वैसे भी हार रहे हैं ना, करेक्ट. एंड नाउ वी आर लूजिंग, वी आर अनसेफ, एंड ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट इफ यू वांट टू फाइट विद एवरीवन देयर इज नो बेनिफिट आउट ऑफ इट.
Yeah.
So those kind of aspects, even if it wasn't when it came to the fighting, even if it came to like normal support during tasks and be like, okay, you know what, we'll figure it out, that was never there. The moment we realized we were losing, she would give me a lot of trouble with it. Like she would only have a lot of trouble with it. Like she couldn't comprehend losing, so I also couldn't handle it. You know, initially पहले 2-3 बार ऐसे बोल दोगे कि okay, everything will be fine, we'll figure it out, but then after a while you can't say that much.
But you know, she has always said this in her VDs या फिर जब भी मौका मिलता था कि वो हमेशा बोलते थे कि हम देख लेंगे, we will try our best, we will give our best. उनके तरफ से हमेशा वो था.
She was the first person who would get angry at me if I didn't perform well. गेम ख़त्म होने से पहले, पॉइंट्स डिस्कस करने से पहले, जजेस की बातें होने से पहले मेरे को अस्मिता का जजमेंट मिल जाता था बीचों बीच. अगर मैं एक भी चीज़ हार गया, उसका मुंह जो उतरता था ना उसके बाद, एंड दैट वाज इट. हर होल मूड वुड गो फॉर अ टॉस इफ आई इवन मेस्ड अप लिटिल बिट. सो देन देयर वाज नो स्कोप ऑफ ग्रोइंग आफ्टर दैट. व्हाट कैन यू डू देन, यू नो. देव ठीक है कर लेंगे, फिगर आउट कर लेंगे, ये चीज़ें मैं भी बोलता था. And I'm sure there was a moment or two where she has also probably said it. I will not discredit her for not saying it, but there's a very different way of putting things and different way of being with people, right? If you're trying to build a connection and actual partnership in a game, there's a very different way to support. Now, if for example you are losing, I will actually try to be there for you and talk to you about it. There it wasn't the case. It was you are losing, meaning you are losing. Now मेरे को अगला connection चाहिए. I don't like this. You're not strong enough.
How was your bond in the show with her?
It was good. The show, the bond was good. We were trying to make something happen because we both felt things. We were both attracted and curious about each other. But she had a little bit of intuitions where she felt like she didn't want to settle down so quickly or didn't want to have a boyfriend so quickly,
Yeah.
right? So for her, it was like, believe it or not, it was a very beautiful paradox this way कि मैं जितना उसको approach कर रहा था, वो उतनी ज़्यादा भाग रही थी मेरे से. So that's why the whole villa splitting के टाइम पे मैं भी ऐसे थोड़ा सा वहाँ से निकल गया. Like as much as possible, even I try to believe, because then someone understands your value, no? When you're not present in a situation like that. But habits die hard, so I saw Smita and I went back to her like usual. Of course, there is no escaping that fact. But at the same time, I think we had a very beautiful relationship where we were both very curious about each other. But somewhere along the way, when it came to performing the tasks or when it came to like going about the game and strategizing and stuff, me and Asmita would clash our heads a lot. We would clash our heads a lot because she had a different perspective on things, I had a different perspective on things. And the thing is, she was not willing to listen to my perspective on things. Because for her, one, she doesn't like being told what to do. Good for you. I like the initiation. Don't be. अपने दम पे खड़े रहो, करो जो भी करना है. But at the same time, मेरी टीम ना बाबा. Some point of time you will have to like talk to me and understand me. Like if you don't trust me, then who will you trust? But the problem is the trust was the issue. Things were good one day, but the next day, if something even little bit happens, she pulls back on the whole trust. Like if you think about it like this, I will trust you fully today. Tomorrow, the one mistake happens, everything goes for a toss. So now we start building up again from the start. Ye ho gaya, wo ho gaya, ye wo. That kept going. So after a while, it had to end. Once we came out, so it did end.
बट टेल मी व्हाट चेंज्ड, क्योंकि जब स्वॉप हो गया था तो इतना टाइम हमें नहीं मिला देखने को, क्योंकि 1 आवर का एपिसोड होता है तो हमें पता नहीं कि पीछे क्या चलता है. लाइक यू नो वी सॉ यू अटैच्ड और अट्रैक्टेड टूवर्ड्स अस्मिता. देन स्वॉप हैपेंड, फिर हम देख रहे हैं कि आप सैंडी के पास हो एंड यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट हर, जो उन्हें भी कहीं ना कहीं बुरा लगा. लाइक व्हाट हैपेंड बिहाइंड द सीन्स?
I'll tell you, I explained this in the BYOG episode also. So what happened was, on that day in the morning, लड़कियों को पहले एक नोटिफिकेशन आया कि उनको एक पूल पार्टी के लिए जाना है. तो वो लोग तैयार हो गए, फिर सब लड़कियां निकल गए. लड़के सब थे पैसा विला में. सडनली वी गॉट ऑल्सो एन इन्फॉर्मेशन नोटिफिकेशन बोल के कि वी आर गोइंग टू प्यार विला. पैक्ड आवर बैग्स. 5-10 मिनट था उसके बीच में. आई मेड दिस लिटिल बुके फॉर अस्मिता ऑल्सो एंड आई मेड लिटिल बिट ऑफ रोज. आई डिडंट राइट अ लेटर फॉर हर. Gullu wrote a letter for Kyra. I think Gaurish also wrote a letter for Zalak. I didn't write you anything. I didn't want you to stay with me. I didn't want to promise you anything. Nothing. I made a bouquet for you. I put my locket there. अभी तुझे जो समझना है समझ ले. I put that because you know what? At that moment of time, I just felt one thing, that maybe शायद this is the last time I get to see her. Because I felt like maybe either I will get eliminated or you will get eliminated. Like somewhere I felt like, because we were being targeted from day one. No? So somewhere deep down I felt like maybe I will not get to see her or maybe she will not get to see me. This is the last time I'll probably get to meet her. So I gave her a locket. And I made the best thing possible, saying that you keep it. Carry on with your thing, do your own thing, but have my locket if you ever need Ron's energy. That was my whole idea of it. The same day we went to Pyar Villa. In the evening we had to perform a task. So in the morning I made a bouquet for Asmita. In the afternoon we have gone and done the pool party, and in the evening we are having a task and I have to make a new connection. Okay, that new connection I tried to make with Anisha, because I chose to be with Anisha because Anisha also had a connection named Chucks in the other villa. So I apologize.
No, it's okay.
So because she had Chucks and she was very open about it, I went to Anisha and said the same thing, that you wait for Chucks, I'll wait for Asmita, we'll perform together. Saundarya was not even on my mind that way. I didn't even approach Saundarya to play the game, because when we were sitting in the pool party, Saundarya said, I have not had a good connection up till now. मेरे को अगर एक कनेक्शन चाहिए तो वो जेन्युइन कनेक्शन चाहिए. मुझे ऐसा कनेक्शन नहीं बनाना है जहाँ पे ऐसे बस नाम के वास्ते गेम के वास्ते बना रहे. आई रिस्पेक्टेड दैट डिसीजन, बिकॉज आई टेल यू समथिंग, दैट्स नाइस, शी इज पुटिंग अप व्हाट शी वांट्स. सो आई नेवर अप्रोच्ड हर, क्योंकि मुझे पता था कि दिल एक जगह पे दे दिया यार. अभी सौंदर्या के साथ भी करूँगा तो नाइंसाफ़ी हो जाती है ना. सिचुएशन ऐसे हो गया, बिलीव इट और नॉट. दीप्तांशु को मिल गया इम्यूनिटी, दीप्तांशु ने ले लिया इम्यूनिटी, एंड ऑफ कोर्स देन आई हैड टू एंड अप परफॉर्मिंग विद सौंदर्या, बिकॉज अनीशा डिसाइडेड आल्सो टू नॉट परफॉर्म विद मी. अनीशा डिसाइडेड दैट आई विल परफॉर्म विद आयुष. So like I said, it was a situation or a position where I was just put in, worked out in my favor, and worked out so beautifully that once I came out of it, I had a lot of nice things to say. Now the audience thinks that मैंने जानबूझ के किया या नहीं किया, that's a very different scenario, but you have to understand मेरे ऊपर क्या बीता होगा उस टाइम पे, है ना. तब तक हार रहा था हर चैलेंज. स्विच हुआ, नई लड़की आई, नई लड़की इतनी कंफर्टिंग, और नई लड़की को मैंने चुना भी नहीं, बाय द वे.
That happened.
मैंने बात भी नहीं किया उससे इस मामले में कि हम साथ में परफॉर्म करें. नॉर्मल बातें चलती थी. आई फाउंड हर कूल एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, बिकॉज शी इज फ्रॉम साउथ एंड वेरी कूल, बट नो टास्क वाले चीज़ें नहीं हो रही थी. बिकॉज आई नो वन थिंग, द टास्क आर बिल्ट ऑल्सो इन सच ए वे ना दैट दे बिल्ड केमिस्ट्री बिटवीन यू. सो suppose you and me are doing a task. When we finish the whole task, it's like a journey for us all together. Once we win it and come out of it, it feels absolutely beautiful. You have no idea.
Yeah.
But when you lose, it feels just as horrible. Like, you know, it's that, slowly it gets to you, it gets that intense. Saundarya thing happened, it felt so nice. And then the dome session happened the next day. You know, the dome shooting happened the next day. Of course, our hosts will ask us about what is happening, because it's a big change, big transition, right? And when they asked me about it, I was very open. That's the thing. Like, that is what people didn't like about me, was the fact that I said what
You
I
opened up,
exactly what I felt. And I don't take my words back one bit. I said exactly what I felt. I was with a woman who I cared so deeply and affectionately about, but she was busy trying to form connections with everyone else in the villa apart from me. Okay. Then the whole merge happens. My emotions come in. Then the whole swap happens. The swap happens. I have managed to find 2-3 connections and figuring out. I'm trying to survive in the game. I'm trying my best. Like I tried with Sandy. Sandy's thing worked out well, but then Sandy wanted to perform with Diptanshu, so I backed out. Then I did with Anjali. Anjali got eliminated. So then after that I tried with Sadaf. So I'm just trying to survive in the game to make sure I'm just sticking by. She has gone. She's tried to make connections with people. Her connections have also not worked out. And then she's come back here. And then she threw the locket on me saying that why did you do this and that. And there also my concern was the same thing. Like, you are not happy I gave you the locket? Okay, then I realized, okay, they showed you videos of what was happening. So then I explained. I told her on her face, I told the same thing. I said, listen, it's true, right? Until the pool party day was happening, that morning also, by the way, we have shot a reality. I don't know if that's come on TV or not because I don't watch the episodes. But that day morning also, we have shot a reality where Asmita is saying, I want to explore and I want to find connections. On the day of the villa split, the first time, when the boys went to Pyar Villa and the girls went for the pool party, that day morning also she told me she wanted to explore. And I told her the same thing. I said, if you want to explore, you explore. I'm not going to say anything about it. Coincidentally, all of these things happened. Okay? And I said, okay. I said, you explore. I knew one thing for a fact. I knew one thing, and I will still say this even up to today with full confidence. Nobody could have taken care of Asmita better than I could have taken care of in that show. Not one of the boys either. मैं ये लिख के दे दूँगा. Because one, Asmita has a strong personality. Okay. 2, she doesn't like listening to people. 3, these boys were filled with so much ego, they were not going to take care of any woman like that. Plain and simple. There were certain girls who were quiet and loving and caring about their connections. And then there were certain girls who were so strong that even their connections couldn't do anything about it. She was one of those girls. That's what happened, essentially. What happened? When your personality is so strong, and if someone's not able to support you, or if you feel like someone's not able to support you, you will turn against them only. That's what happened finally. That's why we came out of the show, and now, as a connection, we are beefing with each other, which is so disgusting. Because I'll tell you, मेरे को घिन आती है ये चीज़ सोच के कि हमने 40 दिन साथ में बिताया. और आज भी जब मैं बैठ के वो रील्स को देखता हूँ मेरे को फीलिंग्स आती है बिकॉज इट वॉज अ वेरी वैलिड फीलिंग एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली योर पर्सनैलिटी और योर पर्सपेक्टिव इज सो फ्लॉड दैट यू वॉन्ट टू जस्ट मेक अ क्विक बक आउट ऑफ एवरीथिंग. सो एवरीथिंग फॉर यू इज प्रमोशन ऑन अ शो बेसिस. गुड फॉर यू. आई रिस्पेक्ट यू फॉर दैट. बट I don't like it, no, and I'm allowed to also speak about what I feel. This is another thing I wanted to just say, okay? I hope you don't mind me saying this, but when did it become wrong for guys to voice out their opinion, यार? मेरे को वो समझ में नहीं आया. I felt bad because I'll tell you something. मैं वैसे भी बात नहीं करता हूँ. Full genuinely I'm going to say this to you, ठीक है? मैं वैसे भी बात नहीं करता हूँ. Show पे because I was a nice guy, I didn't even get highlighted. I didn't get highlighted because I didn't fight. Yeah. I didn't get highlighted because I didn't pick fights with anyone. Every time I tried to help someone, that also backfired on me. In between all of this, there is 1 or 2 occasional times where I actually come out and I'm actually speaking what I feel on my mind. You don't even see me on interviews that often because you know what? Yeah. I don't believe in this policy of degrading other people. Right now, me talking about Asmita makes me feel very horrible. She's just another girl. She also has a career. You know? It's wrong of me to say all these things. But how much will you take it? How much? Even today I will say this interview to you, this interview is going to come out. 5 या 6 लोग होंगे जो गाली देंगे मेरे on the request or something, and I will like, essentially you will end up seeing it and you realize this is it. Me being emotionally empathetic was not good enough because ना मर्द बुलाया मेरे को उसकी वजह से, ठीक है. Second चीज़ यही है कि my own connection also thinks I was nice to everyone and that was a problem. That was the biggest issue, that I was nice to everyone. तुमने कभी सोचा होगा कि एक लड़का का प्रॉब्लम ये है कि वो सबसे नाइस बन रहा है? Can you imagine that being an issue? Then you literally have a boy who is nice to everyone. If you think about it from strategic purpose, right? You can use me to make sure everyone is our friend and we can make sure we can play the best game here. Yeah. We can be part of both alliances. But you were so stuck up in your head about not joining people, we didn't end up joining any alliance. We never joined an alliance because Asmita was not ready to join an alliance. Asmita did not want to play with any alliance. क्या कर सकते हैं? How much will I say? And the same thing. Now today I'm going to say all of these things. Tomorrow the same. There's going to be a whole army of people saying what kind of a performative green flag is this guy? इसको ना कोई समझ है, इसको ना कोई बात करने का तरीका है, बस बातें करता है और कुछ नहीं करेगा, ये करेगा वो करेगा. तो ऐसे मैं बातें करके बोलूँगा कि मैं भी इंसान हूँ, मेरे को भी चीज़ें फील हुई है. मर्द होने के बावजूद मुझे चीज़ें फील हुई है, उसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि मैं बैठ के कुछ नहीं बोलूँगा उसके बारे में, बोलूँगा, लेकिन अपने हिसाब से एंड इन अ वेरी रिस्पेक्टफुल वे. सो दैट इज़ अ लाइन आई एम ड्राइंग बिकॉज yesterday I saw there were all these stories of her coming out and my fans have sent me screenshots saying that she has said bad things about these people and this, you know, this whole exposing game that's going on. I love it. I love the intuition, or I love the initiation all the fans are putting in. I love how involved you're in the story. You want to know what is happening. You're fighting to figure out. I'm glad you're communicating with us. I love my fans for that. I love my fans for that. They have supported me through times where I couldn't speak. अस्मिता ने कुछ अगर डाल दिया ना, 5-10 मिनट में मैं जाके वो फैन पेज को ओपन करके देखूंगा ना, there will be 5-6 accounts of already posted reels in retaliation. I am not fighting my war this time.
Your fans are.
My fans are fighting my war. Do you realize how special that is? But again, at the same time, why are you saying all these things? Why is my question. Like, what disappointed me more than anything else is that you brought this side of me. What came on BYOG was not wrong. You think I wanted to sit there and say these things about you? You think I didn't feel bad about it? You think I didn't want you to be next to me instead of Chakshdeep? Have you ever thought about that maybe? शायद अगर सब चीज़ें सही चल जाती ना, you would have been sitting next to me instead of Chakshdeep. We would have been having a talking to Kashish about how nice our relationship is. But what did you decide to do? You wanted to grow on Instagram. You wanted to be friends because then you could keep your options open. And then the moment people start shipping you with Gullu, people start shipping you with Tain, all of a sudden you're so excited about it. But then at the same time you call me a flirt because I went and spoke nice things to Akansha.
Yeah, we'll get to that.
Nice things. Today I will call, I've never spoken to Akansha, I've never texted her, nothing. I probably sent her 2-3 messages on Instagram initially when that whole fan page thing grew up. Not once have I tried approaching her in anything else apart from that. I think she's beautiful. I think she's pretty, but that is it. Because everyone is beautiful and pretty doesn't mean I'm going to go running behind them, right? It's not my job. But you make these accusatory statements. And the funniest part is even Akansha standing behind and laughing. Like, I'm like, how childish can you guys be? तुम लोगों को इतना भी समझ नहीं है कि एक बंदा नॉर्मली बात कर रहे तेरे से. Okay, maybe I'm making you feel good about yourself. How is that flirting, यार? Do you realize what it is to be called a flirt? Flirt is when it comes with an intention. If I'm trying to get into your pants, then it's called flirting. I am not trying to get into anyone's pants here. I don't want to get into any one of you. You all are all very far away from me right now. This show has done enough for me where I don't want to go back into this. I am just making sure you can smile. We were all having a good time in Urfi's party. I walked up to Akansha. I said, मेरी कनेक्शन तो छोड़ के चली गई, अब तू बनेगी क्या मेरी कनेक्शन? बस बढ़िया डायलॉग मारा, हंसी मजाक, बस मेरे पास एक ड्रिंक था, उसके बाद एक ड्रिंक था, चीयर्स किया, निकल गया वहाँ से. That's it. That is my whole thing. And suddenly this has become Ron is flirting, Ron calls me baby, Ron calls me this, that. I call everyone darling, I call everyone baby. My guy friends were with me, अब मैं उसको मेरी जान बोल के बात करता हूँ. अभी बताओ, is that a wrong thing?
लोग कुछ है जो आपको सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं ऑफ कोर्स कि रॉन हैज एक्सपोज्ड अस्मिता, एंड देयर आर अदर सेट ऑफ पीपल जो ये कह रहे हैं कि अचानक से रॉन इतना क्यों बोलने लगे. इवन अस्मिता हैज शेयर्ड दिस कि संगत का असर है, द वे दिस मैन हैज स्टार्टेड स्पीकिंग. व्हाट्स योर रिएक्शन ऑन दैट?
संगत का असर नहीं है, बस यही चीज़ है कि जितना तुम एक इंसान को दबाओगे ना उतना वो फटेगा बाद में. मैं अभी तक फटा नहीं हूँ. मैं अभी भी उसको जितना कामली सॉल्व कर सकता हूँ सॉल्व करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. मेरा भी करियर है ना. मैं उस लेवल पे पहुंचा नहीं हूँ जहाँ पर मैं सच में एक्सपोज करने की कोशिश करूँ, ये करने. आई हैव एवरीथिंग रिकॉर्डेड. आई हैव स्क्रीनशॉट्स ऑफ मैसेजेस वेयर शी हैज टोल्ड मी आल्सो दैट लेट्स ट्राई टू डू दिस फॉर द ऑडियंस, लेट्स ट्राई टू डू दैट फॉर द ऑडियंस. झगड़ा होने के बावजूद ऐसे 10-15 दिन के बाद उसने मैसेज करके बोला लेट्स मेक कॉन्टेंट टुगेदर. बट अगेन आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू पुट दिस आउट. I am not going to make this a big thing. Like even if after this interview I'll tell you cut this also. I don't want this to come out because क्यों करना है यार? क्यों करना है? ठीक है तुमने जो बोलना है बोल दिया, ये करना है बोल दिया. Fuck it. It's not my thing. It's never been my thing, and I don't want to be a part of it also. What is it essentially if you think about it? If you put in broad perspective, we are all just random people who are giving opinions about each other. I held her opinion to value because she was my connection, but she's not my connection anymore. So I don't hold her value. I don't hold her opinion at all. Now I'm talking about my experience on the show. I took a month away after I came onto the show just to be able to talk about my experiences. What I say right now is purely from my side, how I felt about things. That doesn't mean I'm trying to shade anyone about anything. Okay? There is no time in any interview have you seen me making fun of her or laughing about her. I have stated facts very clearly. What I noticed, what I observed, I stated. How I felt about things, I've stated. There has never been a time where you've seen me be very funny about it, saying, "Hey, Asmita, ऐसी लड़की है वैसे." I don't catcall. I don't name call. I've been called a performative green flag. I've been called this. I've been called that. That same BYOG episode where both of them came out, इतना बेशर्मी के साथ. You want to know the funniest thing? Niharika and Asmita, when they did the BYOG episode, that night I went to meet them. The night before that I went to meet them. We had dinner together.
Yeah.
Okay, and I went all the way to विरार वसाई वाशी वो उस साइड पे 3-4 घंटे दूरी यहाँ से निकला था रात के 11-12 बजे. I spent the whole night. I had good conversation. Came back home. Next day I'm saying on the interview the one and said all this about me. पिंक हैमर लेके मार रहे हैं, कॉलिंग में परफॉर्मेटिव ग्रीन फ्लैग, इतनी खुशी. आई एम लाइक तुम लोग इंसान हो क्या? मेरे को खाना खिलाया तुमने एक रात पहले, उसके बाद अगले दिन तुम ऐसे बात कर रहे हो मेरे बारे में. मैंने कुछ अगर गलत किया होगा तो शायद उसी टाइम पे बता दो. What is this? This is the worst kind of level you can fall up to. Like, as human beings also, I don't feel so disgusted around people. Like, I'm good with you. If you have a problem with me, I understand it. I might not be the most likable guy. शायद मैं नहीं हूँ green flag, as most people want to say it. लेकिन तुमने मेरे को बुलाया घर पे, तुम लोगों ने मेरे को खाना दिया, बातें किया, दोस्त बने थे हम एक दिन. अगले दिन तुम जाके इंटरव्यू पे मेरे बारे में ही बुराई कर रहे हो. शायद मैं पढ़ा लिखा नहीं हूँ, इंजीनियरिंग करने के बावजूद मेरे को अभी भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है ये चीज़. हाउ कैन यू बी नाइस एंड अपफ्रंट टू समवन ऑन देयर फेस एंड देन गो बिहाइंड देम एंड फकिंग से ऑल दीस नॉनसेंस थिंग्स. लाइक that is my disappointing thing, most disappointing thing. Same thing happened in Urfi's success party also, right? What was I trying to do? I was trying to be nice to everyone. Asmita is not my connection anymore. I will not give her more bhav than she deserves to. Nobody gets more bhav than they deserve to. They are all my friends. That's it. Clear. Unless you're my girl, I'm not going to put you on a pedestal. If you chose not to be my girl, I'm not going to do anything for you. You're just a friend among all the other constituents. Right now, Akansh and Asmita are the same to me. Same. That's how I'm going to treat all of them. उनको बेबी बोला, सोना बोला, माई डार्लिंग बोला, वो बातें करने के लिए 5 सेकेंड के लिए ऐसे बात करूँगा बस. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आई विल नॉट touch you, I will not hold you, I will don't want anything from any of your people. This is just a nice way to speak. That is all it is. मैंने अगर आपको out of respect आप बोल के बात की, instead of that, if you are in a party, you are outside, you are friends, if I said what's up darling, how are you doing, does that feel offensive to you? Does that feel concerning or attacking to you? I am not here to do anything. I am just saying what's up darling, how are you doing. बढ़िया लग रहे हो आज, बहुत बढ़िया लग रहे हो. अच्छा लगता है ना ये सब चीज़ें, बिकॉज समवेयर कहीं ना कहीं मुझे भी ये चीज़ें सुनना है. द थिंग्स आई से आउटसाइड टू अदर पीपल आर थिंग्स आई वांट टू हियर अबाउट माई सेल्फ. सो आई मेक श्योर आई प्रोपगेट दैट काइंड ऑफ लव. एंड टुडे द सेम थिंग दैट आई हैव डन इज टर्न्ड अगेंस्ट मी एंड नाउ द नरेटिव इज सेट दैट रॉन इज दिस, रॉन इज दैट. एम आई फ्लर्ट? आई एम अ फ्लर्ट. फक इट, टेक इट. आई एम द बिगेस्ट फ्लर्ट देयर इज. लेकिन अगर 4-5 लोगों को मैं खुश करना चाहता हूँ ना, मैं करूँगा. Regardless of what people's opinions are about it, whether you call me a flirt, whether you call me this, whether you call me that, everyone is happy with me, everyone is content with me. There is, I can tell you this, even today, I have not fought with anyone from the villa after I've come out of the villa. Not once. I've not bad-mouthed anyone, I've not said anything. I'm just disappointed in certain people who I consider to be friends.
Yeah.
There was an expectation from these guys, na? Niharika and Asmita were the gang. Like 3 of us used to hang out all the time. She's my girl.
Yeah.
And that's my girl's best friend. So I used to sit with them all the time. I didn't make my set of friends because I was so concerned about taking care of this. Like there was a time where even विशु ने मेरे से आके बात किया शो के बीच में या शो के एंड तक, और उसने बोला भाई तूने एक टाइम पे भी ऐसे इतना ऐसे जो तो अस्मिता को इतना अटेंशन देता ना, थोड़ा सा अटेंशन अगर हमारे साथ भी दे देता ना, शायद तो अलायंस के पार्ट बन जाता. और मेरे को उस टाइम पे लगा कि हाँ सही है. लेकिन हाउ डू यू रियलाइज दैट यार, गॉट माई गर्ल देयर, हाउ विल आई लीव माई गर्ल एंड कम डिस्कस गेम प्लान्स विथ यू? आई कांट ना. बट यू डोंट गेट वैल्यूड फॉर दीज थिंग्स.
But you know, there's this confusion after seeing that BYOG episode जहाँ पे आपने ये कहा है कि after the rap you asked her what's next and she said कि हम let's be friends for now. बट एक इंटरव्यू का क्लिप जो अभी वायरल हो रहा है, जो पीपल आर मेकिंग एडिट्स ऑन इट, कि आपने ये चीज़ एक इंटरव्यू में कहा था कि यू नो यू गाइस म्यूचुअली डिसाइडेड दैट अभी फ्रेंड्स रहते हैं, उसके बाद देखते हैं. व्हाट्स दैट कन्फ्यूजन, क्योंकि वो बहुत कंफ्यूज कर रहा है.
सो फर्स्ट वो इंटरव्यू जहाँ पर मैंने बोला था कि हमने म्यूचुअली डिसाइड किया है, आप लोग टाइमलाइन के हिसाब से देखना है सब चीज़, वॉच द करंट टाइमलाइन. That interview happened around the time when I and Asmita were on good terms. So when I went to meet Asmita and Niharika and Vashi, that time they did the BYOG episode, I did the interview that I had at home. So before that, exactly what happened is finale shoot हुआ. Finale shoot होने के बाद we have our flight tickets to go back home, because after that what will you do? सब हो गया, VDs, everything is done. So I was leaving a day earlier, by the way, compared to Asmita, because they still had little bit of VDs left to do. थोड़ा बहुत ऐसे wrap up करने वाली चीज़ें. So I was leaving a day earlier. She was going to leave the next day later, and we were just chilling, having a good conversation. थोड़ी बहुत लड़ाई झगड़ा भी हो गई थी. एक दिन बोलूँगा, ये सब बड़ा story है. Like she fought with me because she was hating on some other team, and then later on she's talking to the guy from that team anyways. I'll tell you later the whole story. Let the whole show come out, and then I'll tell you exactly, because then it'll be easier for me to also explain without spoiling the whole scenario. That also was very that took a big toll on me, dude. Like big fight happened, big fight, such a like between me and her, and I was so taken aback. I'm like, यार तू क्यों कर रही है ये सब चीज़ें? अभी हो गया, शूट हो गया, अभी क्यों करना है इतना झगड़ा करने के बाद वापस उसी टीम के साथ आके फुल मज़े. लेकिन उस टीम में ओनली विद द बॉय, एंड मजे नॉट लाइक इन द फ्लर्टेशियस, नॉट गंदा डिस्कस्टिंग वे, जस्ट फ्रेंडली वे. बट अगेन द सेम क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग, नो व्हाई यू हेटिंग ऑन देम इफ यू वांट टू बी फ्रेंड्स विद देम एट द सेम टाइम?
इज इट टेन?
No, I don't know. I will tell you that after the finale is over.
Okay.
Right now I'm not going to say anything. So we finished the shoot. We were sitting down together, and she was the one who first said this in the villa itself. She said, I think we should try being friends. उसके बाद देखते हैं क्या कहाँ चलता है ये चीज़. And I said, okay. I don't do anything without a woman's permission. For me, a relationship is as good as the woman in it. If she says we want to go ahead, we will go ahead. If she says we want to stop, we will stop. If she says she wants a break, we get a break. There is no in between in these things. सब आपके हिसाब से चलेगा. Comfort आपके हिसाब से चलेगा. मैं मर्द हूँ. मेरा responsibility बस एक ही चीज़ है कि I have to make sure you are safe and comfortable no matter what it is. You don't want to be in a relationship with me? I understand. I will not even ask you why. I will not even ask you why. I understand. She told me we will try being friends, and after that we'll see what happens. And then I was like, okay, fine, done. This is your decision. This is what you've thought about. We'll have it. Then we came out of the villa. There was a call or so, and we got on this audio call, voice call. And she was in Delhi and I was in Bombay. And similar thing, she wanted to pick up the same topic again, saying that we'll be friends for now, and then let's see what happens and all that. And I was like, okay, fine. If you're going to be friends, then I'm not going to treat you like my girl anymore. I want to make that one very clear to you, because again, if you're single, we're single. If you're dating, we're dating. I don't do the in-between stuff where I'm committed to one girl and then I'm going talking to another girl. No, that doesn't happen with me. If I could carry that out, then I would have played the game very differently as well. Either I'm in it fully or I'm not in it at all. So you want to be friends? Good, we will be friends. I'm not going to sit and get in touch with you, because this is how I am with my friends. I don't call them on a daily basis. I don't check up on what they're doing. उनका लाइफ चलेगा, मेरा लाइफ चलेगा. मेरे दोस्तों का सीन ऐसा है कि जब हम मिलेंगे हम बात करेंगे, बस simple as that. Occasionally, 1 or 2 into 1 or 2 weeks, I'll give them a call and talk to them. That's how it is. So we reached to this point. She also said the same thing. Fine, but again, two strong personalities. No, so we clashed again on call. We got in a fight and everything, and the call got over. Then after that situation, everything resolved. Very petty little fights. We were still fighting from what happened on the show. So she used to tell me these things where she'd be like, you know what, I'm with you even after people telling me not to be with you. The rest of the villa is calling you a weak performer, but I'm still sticking with you. Like, I like the honesty. I love the honesty. But what are you doing, yaar? That's so messed up. Can you imagine saying that to your own connection? कि तुम शो के बीच में ऐसे बैठ के बोल रहे हो कि मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूँ क्योंकि मुझे लग रहा है, लेकिन ये 10 लोगों ने बोला है कि तू वीक परफॉर्मर है, फिर भी मैं तुझे चुन रहा हूँ. It's like मेहरबानी, and I don't like that. क्यों कर रहे हो मेहरबानी? मैंने पूछा था, did I beg for it? No, I wanted to just be with you.
Yeah.
But she brought up this point again. And somewhere along the way, when she brought up this on the call also, she said, you know what, so many people told me not to be with you. And Tain also told me that I have to probably have a better connection because he's a weak performer and all that. But I still stuck with you. That is where I flipped. Like, that was the end of it. Like, couldn't handle it anymore. You know, Baba, 40 days you've spent, you've done so much, you've taken care. It's not even like, I'm not even counting the things I've done. I'm saying like, value at least what we've had, no?
Yeah.
शायद 20 मोमेंट्स में शायद 2 या 3 मोमेंट्स भी अच्छे होंगे, लेकिन वो 2-3 मोमेंट्स को वैल्यू तो करो. मैं तो कर रहा हूँ ना, मैं वो 10 चीज़ों को नहीं देख रहा हूँ जहाँ पे इतना ज़्यादा हलचल हो गई है. वो 3 चीज़ों को लेके ही मैं आगे बढ़ने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन तुम्हें वो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. यू वॉन्ट टू, फॉर अस्मिता इट वॉज लाइक हर गाय हैज़ टू बी बिलो हर नो मैटर वॉट, and there is no scope or point where the guy can outshine or outperform. He will do a good job, he will do well, but he will not outperform Asmita. That is the whole goal. For her it is that there is, she cannot have a person who will clash with her. हाँ से हाँ मिलाने वाला ही चाहिए उसको, और मैं कर रहा था वो चीज़, लेकिन एक लिमिट के बाद ना नहीं कर सकते हाँ से हाँ मिलाना, बिकॉज पर्सनल हो जाती है. मैं बाहर निकलने के बाद मैंने वही चीज़ बोला. आई सेड यू वांट टू बी फ्रेंड्स, आई विल ट्रीट यू लाइक अ फ्रेंड. एंड देन आफ्टर दैट शी डिसाइडेड टू से ऑल दीस थिंग्स लाइक यू नो आई स्टिल शेयर अ कनेक्शन विद यू बिकॉज इवन आफ्टर पीपल सेइंग ऑल दिस. आई एम लाइक, ये बचपने वाले हरकतें मेरे साथ मत करो. आई एम ऑलरेडी फीलिंग वेरी शिट अबाउट द शो. I've come out and I'm already feeling very bad about it. I'm not feeling very good about it. I've gone through my own mental battles because of you and because of everyone else. Now you're saying this. I stopped talking to her after that. I said, this is the last call. Thank you for making me feel whatever you're doing. I'm done. I'm done. I'm not even going to get in touch with you. Then the show premiered. Show premiere hote, like how you said, the first 2 episodes went well and suddenly my followers increased compared to everyone else in the villa.
Yeah.
And it grew organically. That was the best part, where there was contestants were deciding, should we start doing PR, should we start paying people and all that. In between, my followers just blew up. So I got very lucky with that. That one dialogue, okay. And by the way, sympathy bhi mila because I was voted least popular, so everyone felt sorry for me. So I got very lucky with that. Next thing you know, I got a call from her. And I'm like, hi, what's up, what's going on? She's like, hi, everything's going well. I said, are you happy with everything going on? I'm like, I'm happy. Again, very respectful. No, I'm not someone who fights. I cannot like look at you in the face and say bad things to you. I said, nahi ho pata ye cheez. If I don't like you, I'll go away from it. That's it. Then what happened was, she called me back and then we had a conversation and then I told her I don't want to date anymore because you made your mind clear, so I don't want to do this. We agreed, kept everything fine. And then the interviews happened, so we both mutually decided to be friends and all this we were saying. We were trying to keep it as civil as possible. Things got messed up when I started saying that she started putting up these hate reels on her story saying Ron and Sandy are the issue. That is where I had a question with the whole morality issue of it. तब तक सब ठीक था. अपना प्रमोशन कर, जितना करना है करो प्रमोशन. I don't even mind you trying to get a connection with Gulu or Tain or any of these people. Your career, have fun. What you want to do, you do. Nothing. But then you're putting shit against me. Why? What is the reason? I don't even have any context behind this. We don't even speak to each other. Then 1 week later, another text comes back and says, साथ में content बनाना है. मैंने बोला, तुमने बोला मेरे को hate करने से पहले. उसने बोला नहीं, लेकिन ऑडियंस के लिए कुछ करना पड़ेगा ना, क्योंकि तुम कुछ नहीं कर रहे थे. मैंने बोला कौन बोलेगा ये प्लान मेरे को. घर पे बैठे बैठे सुबह जब मैं फ़ोन उठाता हूँ और मेरे को समझ में आ गया कि 10 लोगों ने मैसेज किया कि Rasmita has unfollowed you Ron. 10 fans have sent me a message. Next thing you know, Asmita has posted a story about you Ron. Bloody 8-9 in the morning, I've woken up and I'm seeing this. No intuition, no initiation, nothing. Nobody's even bothered telling me. Even she hasn't bothered. If you had so many problems with me, you could have spoken to me about it.
Yeah.
As a grown-ass person, you could have spoken to me about it. No, you didn't bother even fucking once. You decided to go on Instagram and cry and complain. And then after that, you're coming and telling me it was a good PR step. It was good for the audience. Do you even consider me a human being at this point? Is everything just a show and a game to you? Are you so self-centered that nothing else is there? Like everyone else around you is a pawn? Because if that's the case, I am not there. I am not in it. That was the last, that's when I said, listen, she called some 3-4 times, she tried messaging. I just kept responding back. I texted back because I didn't want to get on a call with her. Because I knew the moment I get on a call with her, she'll somehow manage to mess me up. So I kept texting her. I didn't pick up any of her calls. But long story short, this is how things just got very. That's why I told you, look at the time space when the interviews have come out. अगर मैं आज BYOG शूट कर रहा हूँ, उसका ये मतलब है कि 2-3 हफ्ते के बाद वो BYOG बाहर आएगा. So you guys need to understand the timeline of a lot of things.
Yeah.
Right? My first interview happened once I came out of the villa. Her BYOG happened around the same time, but her BYOG was released a little later. My interview came before that. So now we have this. Then I've seen this interview where they've called me performative green flag. After that, the whole Sandy thing happens. After that, I go on my BYOG and I say whatever I feel like saying. Because what is this? Where else will I explain? If not on the MTV platform, where else will I put my point forward? And if I don't put my point forward, what happens? Then I'm wrong, right? Silence is never taken as a right thing. Silence is always taken as a
Different
wrong.
opinions are being formed, yeah. And also, you know, you said कि if Sandy wouldn't have gone ahead with the Tanshu, you would have chosen her and अस्मिता को आप छोड़ देते. तो मुझे ये जानना है कि ये उस टाइम पर भी सेम फीलिंग थी कि अभी ये जो सिनेरियो
तो Kashish asked me this, if you could go back to the game and do it. लोगों ने ये चीज़ नहीं समझा कि ये सब समझने के बाद, इन सारे लोगों से मिलने के बाद, सबकी पहचान होने के बाद, अगर मैं वापस जाके उसको वापस रिपीट करता, then I would have definitely chosen Sandy because Sandy made me feel good during that task. Sandy was very supportive during that task. ये बोलने की कोशिश कर रहा था मैं. इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि मेरे को सैंडी से वहीं पे प्यार हो गया था और बाकी का जो हुआ है वो फेक है. What stupidity is that? How can you fake it? तुम सुबह से रात तक शूट कर रहे हो, ठीक है, उसके साथ वैसे भी दिमाग खराब हो गया है. How are you going to sit and fake love, bro? How are you going to sit and fake a connection, bro? It's hard, trust me. It's seen on camera. It's very evidently seen on camera, and I am very good about this thing. You see whatever you want on camera, everything was organic and everything is good. I did the best job I could. Unfortunately, I got stuck with someone who wasn't my type. That's it. That is the very baseline of this. इसको उसने भी उतना खींचा है और अभी मैं अपने प्रमोशन के दौरान भी उसको इतना खींच रहा हूँ ना, ये आउट ऑफ प्रोपोर्शन ग्लो हो रहा है. सिंपल थिंग, शी इज स्ट्रॉन्ग हेडेड. I don't like listening to strong-headed. I like strong-headed women, but at the same time, she's not someone to consider because she does not consider me as a human being. So she doesn't think I'm her type. Fine, good, fine. But because of that, we had all of these problems. But in the baseline, we are not each other's type. We tried to play a show together. We had a beautiful memory together. Right now, beefing and fighting is not even there. It never was a thing. But she'll continue to do it. She'll continue to take my name for getting whatever little bit of things she has because the show अभी मेरे साथ ही किया है ना. And if you can't fight, if you don't have fights with anyone else, by the way, if you don't have fights with anyone else, if you don't have problems with anyone else, then who will you fight with? Who will you create beef with? Where will you get the followers from? Now you go, the same thing I was saying that I blew up the most. Now you go look at everyone else's followers and look at my followers and then you'll realize everyone is at 200k, 300k. I'm still at 160. You know why? Because I didn't do anything for that. I didn't decide to pick out clout. I didn't decide to pick out anyone's names. I kept quiet. I was grateful to do a show. These guys are not grateful. Some of them are not. For them, everything is money, everything is growth. And I don't want to be a part of it.
Lastly, before we wrap up, क्योंकि सैंडी ने indirectly सही she has said कि she likes you and even आपने भी कहा है कि she gave you, you know, she made you feel the way you always wanted to be in a relationship. तो क्या हम ये इशारा समझ?
नहीं, absolutely not. मैंने ये सैंडी से भी बात किया. Once I did the show and came out ना, before doing the show I was up for a relationship. Once I came out of the show I was not up for a relationship. Show के बाद ये जो अस्मिता के साथ इतनी ज़्यादा मेरे को पर्सनल, अगेन माय ओपिनियन, मेरे को जो भसड़ हुई है ना, उसके वजह से आई एम टेकिंग लिटिल बिट ऑफ ब्रेक ऑफ फ्रॉम एवरीथिंग. सैंडी इज सौंदर्य इज अ वेरी नाइस पर्सन, शी इज़ वेरी केपेबल, बट आई हैव सैट विद हर एंड हैड दिस कन्वर्सेशन. आई सेड लिसन बाबा, मेरे अंदर है नहीं वो एनर्जी अभी के लिए. आई वांट टू टेक सम टाइम ऑफ. लाइक आई एम नॉट इन दैट स्पेस वेयर आई कैन सिट एंड गिव यू फीलिंग्स और अफेक्शन और एनीथिंग बिकॉज मेरे अंदर ही नहीं है. ख़त्म कर दिया ये सब.
उनके तरफ से
उनकी तरफ से also very mutual. Like I think even she understands. We both people who come to Bombay to work.
Yeah.
She also has her own things to take care of. I also have my own things to take care of. So we both know that this is not that important. Audience को लगेगा important है because क्योंकि हमने dating show किया है ना. But apart from that, तुम लोग 10 सेकेंड के relationship को देखोगे, मैं पूरा दिन को संभालूंगा. तो अभी मेरे पास वो पूरा दिन है नहीं संभालने के लिए. तुम लोगों को 10 मिनट का content भी देने के लिए. Promise एक दिन करूँगा. I'm sure I will find the most beautiful woman one day and I will love her and I will treat her like she is my princess. But until then, I want to be a little more careful about these things and not jump into something which I'm not sure of. And it's not that Sandy is a problem or anyone else is a problem. I am trying to fix myself and get better first. Once I'm a little stable here, then I'll maybe, you know.
Yeah. Well, that's what we had for you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you so much for
That's
joining
so
in,
sweet of you.
and all the very best to you.